In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a paid bill in Xero. If you've paid a bill in Xero, but later discover it was entered by mistake, you can cleanly remove it in two parts. First, undo the payment link, then void the bill. I'll walk you through the exact clicks and explain what each step does so your records stay tidy. Start on your Xero dashboard and head to Purchases. From there, open Bills. Along the top, choose the paid view, so you're only seeing bills Xero considers fully settled. If you don't see the bill you need, check your date filters and status to make sure paid is selected. Find and select the bill you want to remove. This opens the bill's detail page. Review it to confirm you've got the right one, especially the supplier, amount, and date, because the next actions affect your books and bank reconciliation. Scroll to the bottom of the bill and click the payment entry. This takes you to the recorded payment. Here's the key part. Click Options, then choose Remove and Redo. This unlinks the payment from the bill and reverses the reconciliation, putting that bank line back into your bank feed to be matched again later if needed. It does not delete your bank statement, it simply removes the match to this bill. Confirm any prompts Xero shows. With the payment link removed, go back to the bill. It will no longer be in a paid state. Open Bill. Options in the upper area of the bill and choose Void. Voiding preserves an audit trail but excludes the bill from your financials going forward. When the confirmation appears, click OK to finish. The bill is now voided and will no longer affect your balances. A few tips to keep in mind as you do this. You'll need the right user permissions to remove reconciliations and void bills. If the bill sits in a locked or reported period, you may need to adjust the period settings or consult with your accountant before proceeding. Double check that no credit notes or attachments you still needed are tied to this bill, because voiding will retire it from active use. That's it. You undid the payment with Remove and Redo, then voided the bill so it's fully out of your accounts. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your Xero records accurate and audit ready.